Ilan na nakapanood nitong Jollibee paper bag story na to? Malawatapad or gawa ng AI, it really doesn't matter kung ano ba yung origin story nito. Pero yung moral lesson nito yung pinaka-importante. TLDR nito, nanganak sa isang public hospital yung babae. Siya. Tapos, hindi maganda yung experience niya sa public hospital. Like most Filipino are sa ating public healthcare system. Tapos, nagdala ng Jollibee si Idol. Pero di niya binigyan yung asawa niya. Kasi nga daw, mayroon naman public hospital food. Most likely, hindi masarap yun. So, si ate, sobrang na-trauma. Ang point dito, kung magpa-partner kayo, especially kung lalaki kayo, the only thing that you can do is to support your partner. Understand that the system is not going for you all the time. Tingnan mo yung PhilHealth. Zero budget. So, wag niyong asahan na maganda yung kalidad na makukuha nyo sa public hospital. Pero, you can always make do with what you have right now. And what you have right now is you and your partner. So, bigyan mo ng Jollibee. Anong masama doon? Comfort food nga eh. People have different ways to cope up with stress. And one of them is stress eating. Bigyan mo ng Jollibee. Comfort food yan. Yun lang naman. Gagay mga lod.